military police officers of the Ohio National Guard's 437th Military Police Battalion spent time this summer getting familiar with the newest vehicle in the state's inventory.
We're doing the initial driver's training for about 80 soldiers on the new M-ATV that's coming out to the units. The M-ATV is based off the MRAP that we've had for a while. It's going to be the replacement for the Humvee. It's much larger, better capabilities, better safety than the Humvee.
The MRAP all-terrain vehicle is designed to provide the same levels of protection as the larger and heavier previous mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles, but with a focus on improved mobility.
They're going to be learning the basic layout of the vehicle, safety features. So the majority of this course is going to end up being actual drive time for the soldiers, because that's what's most important. First day is all classroom, so it's a little painful for some soldiers, but we're getting out there today to do some PMCS. The next couple days we'll be doing some driving, so they're much more excited about that.
This was originally in process for about 2 years. We were supposed to get these last year. With COVID, there were some delays, and so now that fielding is taking place this summer. So 60 coming to the Ohio Army National Guard, and then specifically to the 437th MP Battalion through the Department of Defense. So inside those crates, there's a plethora of things. There's over about 220 items within the crates, and then we've got a couple other boxes out there. So one truck, you're looking right around like $775,000 for just the truck alone. When you add in those pieces, parts, and components, and the things that go along with it, roughly about $1 million a piece. So for the total we get here, 60, you're looking at $60 to $65 million of Army equipment.
Spirits are up today since we're out of the classroom. They're excited to get out there and get in these things and check them out.